Did you know the biggest criminal cases sometimes hide behind government documents that most people never get to see? When the Justice Department released parts of the Epstein files, it was like opening a vault that had been locked for years. But here's the thing about vaults. Sometimes you only get to see what someone wants you to see. These weren't just any documents. They were court papers, investigation records, and sealed materials connected to one of the most notorious criminal networks in recent history. Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell's case had more twists than a heist movie. Some big names got confirmed in black and white. Other parts? Completely blacked out. The government says being named doesn't mean you're guilty. They say the redactions protect victims and legal rights, but critics aren't buying it, because in the world of high-stakes criminal cases, what you don't see can be just as important as what you do. So the question remains hanging in the air like smoke after a bank job. Are we getting the full story, or just the pieces they want us to have?